Dr. Janine, and this is one of my absolute favorites, incorporating protein, lots of nuts and seeds into these protein balls. I do a different variation every time I make these, so depending on what I have in the kitchen, that's what I'll be using. So today we're gonna start with some peanut butter. You could also use any other nut butter of your choice, but today it's going to be peanut butter. And mixing in some vanilla protein powder. You could also use chocolate. This is Away, and this is from our sponsors at Vitatree, so great source of absorbable protein. I also have some chia seeds, and some sesame seeds, some flax seeds, and some chopped nuts. Now incorporating these in, I also like to add a little bit of Himalayan salt because I like that contrast between the sweet and the salty. So a bit of salt, and another one of my favorites, of course, chocolate. So these are low-carb chocolate chips. And mixing this all up. So now that it's all nicely incorporated, we're ready to roll into our balls. So what I'll do is I like to use some unsweetened coconut, and I'm gonna put that out onto a plate, and this is where I will be rolling my balls to coat in the coconut. Now this is the part that the kids love. You get a little bit messy here because it's a little bit gooey, but you're gonna make that nice ball and then roll it in the coconut to get it nicely coated. And now into the fridge for about a half an hour or so, and you can store these easily up to a week. If you want to put them in the freezer, you can do that as well. So now that they're out of the fridge, ready to enjoy, one of my favorite things to have with my coffee or with my tea is my protein ball.